Hi guys, DK388. I thought I'd do this video on a uPVC window handle failure replacement repair. We'll find out what the issue is. Just using it the other day and pushing the button in as normal, but it's jammed something. When I clicked it in, something snapped and I can't open the window anymore. So this button still works, but I just can't unlock it to open the window. So tools we need. A Stanley knife, a thin piece of card, library card, credit card, whatever, crosshead screwdriver and a tape measure. So first things first, let's get the Stanley knife just to pop the screw cap cover off, and there's another one behind the handle which I'll show you how to get access to that. So first things first is to gently pop the tip of the blade into the gap to pull the cover off. Pick that up after. So that exposes one screw. The next bit, I need to just use a corner of a card, and there's a gap there. Just jam it in there. You can see the card already in, and we can just open it as normal. Pull the card away. That exposes the second screw. So I've just got to undo them two to remove the handle, so I'll do that now. Right, so both screws are removed. We can just pull the handle out away from the window. So I made a bit of a boo-boo off camera when I was just exploring. This is the actual window, and that's the latch where it sits in that little pocket. And this is the parts that are broken inside. Well, this is the part that broke inside. This was still attached before I broke it. So this is the bit that was stuck onto there, which prevented the window from opening, so it was permanently locked. And this is the bit that failed, that prevented the button from releasing the latch. But from the other lock, this is what it should look like. So comparison to these two, you can see that little plastic button is that bit, and then the internal bit that sits inside, that's the bit that failed. So when you in theory push the button to release the handle to open, but in sort of destroying this bit, sort of fix the problem, so the window can be opened freely internally. It's still securely locked externally, so I guess it's just a case of just putting this handle back on, put the screws on and put the cap on. So if you wanted to replace the handle altogether, just a few dimensions you need, which are the screw hole centres, probably about 45, probably looks about 15mm, yeah, 10mm. Reason for that is on this particular blind, so we've got these in-frame sort of blinds. As you can see, it bevels out, so the handle needs to clear this, something like that, similar situation. And you can get these replacement handles on your DIY shop, Screwfix Tool Station, and usually about a tenner. So I think this is like a universal handle. Some of them are offset, so you can use this as a left or right hand. But you know, pop the little cover cap back on. This window can now be locked and open. Don't need to use the button anymore because that's disabled, but the window is still secure. Something to think about also, if your windows are like mine, you've got these blinds, make sure you have your handle clears the framing around it. In my case it's about 10mm. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.